Hello everyone, it's me again. Today I'm going to show you how to use Power Automate to filter in Excel and then extract the information and put into another Excel just like this. If you are new to my channel, please help subscribe because I only have 50 plus subscribers, but only subscribe if this helps you. So I will start with the Power Automate tool. So what you do as a first step is launch Excel and open the following document. So your document, make instance visible, open as read only. This is very important. Then you move to the next step, launch Excel with a blank document. This is to store your results. So the first step, you want to copy the column name. So it's Excel instance values from a range of cells. Start column 1, start row 1. End column would be the last column of your Excel spreadsheet. End row is 1. So for example, my end column is 5. Right? 5. So next step is paste cells to Excel worksheet. Select Excel instance results. Paste mode on currently active cell, which default is A1. Then next, you find the text that you want to filter. So you use Excel instance, find all matches not enabled. Text to find SC dot mesh case not enabled, mesh entire cell content not enabled. Depends on what you want, so you can adjust this accordingly. Then search by rows. Then this is most important. You need to put a loop condition while found row index is not equal to 0. So that means if you find something, you can start looping right over here. Next, you get first free column row from Excel worksheet. Go to Excel instant results. So this will go to your next row from your copied title just now. Then go to activate cell in Excel worksheet. Go results, activate absolute specific cell, column 1 and first free row, which will pick first free row will pick from here. Get first free row column from Excel worksheet. This is the first free row. Then you find again. Find SC dot and then search by rows. This is very important because when you loop, you won't go back to step number 5. So that's why you have to loop. You have to put this step number 9 in the loop, and then go and then use if found row index not equal to 0, you copy the cells from an Excel instance, values from a range of cells. Start column is 1, found row index, and end column is 5, found row index. This will actually copy this row. So row index is always the found row index, and then I want to always copy the whole row. So column row index 1 and to column row index 5. then paste to the current to results on the currently active cell, and delete row from Excel worksheet, Excel instance, and found row index. So let me close all the files and rerun. So it will loop like 3 times. Then this is the results spreadsheet, and then you can save it. And most importantly, this is read only. Don't save it because your found data is not here anymore. I hope this video helps you. Please remember to subscribe or tip me with a coffee with the PayPal link in the description. Thank you guys for your support. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.